In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can operate permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy and Security. Then you need to select one of those apps or one of those features, like Media and Apple Music. And by tapping on this switcher next to chosen app, allow or deny this app access to chosen feature. You can also scroll all the way down and click on one of your apps over here. Like for example Safari browser. Then you can click on one of those options after allow Safari to access and operate all of those switchers, or scroll down and click on one of those options over here under Settings for websites in case of browsers. So for example, if I don't want to allow my Safari to access my microphone, I need to tap on microphone here and tap on deny. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!